you're messing with my feelings and my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's unit is from Megalook, so I'm so excited. Let's get into it. So today we do have the 13x4 lace highlight balayage wig. She's 26 inches and she's a straight haired unit. Y'all, this is the hairline, so if you don't know how to pluck, they got you because you do not need to, okay? That hairline gives. This is where we're at now. I'm just gonna go in and blow dry the hair. I washed it, conditioned it off camera. I also went in and bleached the knots, and then I plucked the lace as well. But y'all, I'm super excited because I don't personally think I've done a balayage unit once, but look at this. We're gonna put on the wig. I have 8 cornrows in total, and I do wear the mesh caps underneath my units. This is me putting on the unit for the first time, and baby, she's giving. This is about to be a bob. Look how pretty this turns out, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and hot comb the hairline before I actually install the unit. I love to do this. It's just easier for me, and it makes sure that my roots are super duper straight. I'm going in and take a pair of shears to cut off the lace I'm not needing. I'm making sure to create jagged edges. That way it won't be blunt, harsh lines, and sis, ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So also I feel like I need to change the color of my lace tinting spray because it's giving a little orangey and I don't like that. So once we are done cutting off the lace, we're going to go ahead and secure her down. I'm going to go in with my favorite lace spray. This is Ebin Supreme lace spray. Okay, so I'm taking about 1 to 2 to 3 layers, and we're gonna go ahead and push the product back into our hairline. I'm using my blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and we're gonna wait until it is tacky. Once it's tacky, we're gonna align the wig to where I laid the product at, and then we're gonna actually lay it down. Now this unit is definitely big head friendly. It has a lot of lace, so I want to make sure that each and every piece of that lace is laid super duper flat. I would say work into sections when doing that, so you won't have, you know, wrinkle dinkles all up in that lace, you know. Using the comb, the back of the comb, to reinforce the lace down into your forehead also helps. You can use your fingers, but I would say use the end of your comb or the back of your comb to help make sure that lace is laid down. You do not want your lace lifting or going anywhere. So now we're just gonna put the elastic band on and let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3. Y'all, I am off. 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so after 3 to 5 minutes, we're gonna remove it. And I was hoping that the lace tint oxidized so it wouldn't be as orange, and it did. But I really feel like I have to use a different shade because it's given too warm for my liking. But this is how it turns out, and she looks good. So now we're just gonna go in and do a middle part. I don't know why. I feel like for this specific balayage wig, we need us a middle part because it's gonna serve looks, okay? So I'm just gonna go in and straighten up that part. So now we're gonna go in and do some baby hairs. I know y'all be like, why are you about to tear this wig up and put some baby hairs on? I know y'all, but I'm really trying to work on this this vision I have in my head for these baby hairs, and it's gonna take me a minute to get there. But anyway, I'm trying a new method out where I'm pulling the hair out and I'm going in to pluck it to thin out the hairline. well, the section that I'm going to create the baby hairs, because I feel like they're too thick and they're too bulky, and it's not going to give me that fluffy, soft look I'm looking for. So now we're just going to go ahead and cut at an angle to, you know, help us shape our baby hairs. And then I'm going in with my Kiss pencil flat iron to help create those swoops as well. Now be careful, because if, like I said, if you cut the baby hairs too short, there is no coming back, and you just gotta, you know, pretty much work with it. So I pretty much cut it longer and trim it up as I need to. So I'm just taking a product, and I need to look like for a mousse or a what is it called, foam wrap lotion, which doesn't lift the lace spray, to do them, because I really want a softer look. I noticed that gels is going to give you a more solid look. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and trim up the baby hairs as needed and keep on swooping until I get it to my liking. Like I said, I'm still working on this vision that I have in my head, but this is going to have to do right now, okay? So lastly, we're going to go in and define the part. If you do not do this, you are going to give a wig. Somebody's going to be like, it's a wig, sis, it's a wig. So just make sure to define your part with any concealer. So this is pretty much the end of the video. I'm just going in for one final time to go ahead and detangle the hair. I did get minor shedding when, you know, washing and conditioning the hair. Also, I did do a little bit of plucking. I didn't experience tangling, but like I said, we did get a little bit of shedding. So yeah, so this is the end of the video, y'all. I love this wig. This is one of my favorite wigs of all times. I love the color. I love everything about this unit. If you're looking for a wig to turn heads, baby, this is it. If you're also looking for a wig to spice up your, you know, your everyday look, sis, I think this will get the job done. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to check out the link in the description section below. Until my next video, your girl, see you later. Bye, guys.